He never stumped. He is never stumped by our problems. He's never baffled by our questions. He's never confused by our confusion. When, sabi po ni Matthew Henry, when we know not what to do, He knows. When we know not what to do, He knows. Actually po, the word fathom in that verse is a nautical term. Ibig sabihin sa maritime ginagamit yung word now, fathom. It's like looking down into a very deep well that has no bottom. You can drop a coin into the well and you will never hear it hit. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng fathom. Mga kapatid, you can dive into God, but you will never come to the end of His understanding. You can never. Praise God. That is the principle that we are standing on. Yan ang Diyos na ating pinanampalatayanan. Yan ang Diyos na kung saan nakatayo ang ating pananampalataya at paniniwala, ang ating commitment, ang ating pong pagsunod. Yan ang Diyos na nagpapakilala sa Kanyang sarili na sa kabila ng lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin, nandyan siya. Hindi siya umaalis. Hindi siya nagtatago. The second is the promise. Sabi ko nga po, the principle, the promise. And of course, the principle will lead us to the promise, and the promise contains two parts. The first promise is that God will supply strength in our weakness. That's in verse 29. Sabi po, He gives power to the faint, and to him who has no might, He increased strength. There are three things po, three words na gusto ko pong tignan. Unang-una po, ang sabi po dyan, strength. Strength refers to the ability to act in the moment of crisis. It speaks of endurance in hard times. Okay? Yung pangalawa po, might is the power to reproduce. It speaks of vigor and vitality. At ang pangatlo po is power, which means the ability to do what needs to be done. Ang ating Panginoong Diyos ay hindi lamang po may might, meron din po siyang strength, meron din po siyang power. Hindi lang po siya mayroong power, meron din po siyang strength, meron din po siyang might. Hindi lang po meron siyang strength, pero meron din po siyang might, meron din po siyang power. In all of this, kasi po ang konteksto nitong verse na ito means that you will have whatever you need, whenever you need it, to do whatever needs to be done. It literally refers to the power in your bones that is the physical power to keep on going. That is what God provides for us. That is His promise, that I will give you strength